Hello friends, today in exercise 3.2 we will study the sums question 11 onwards. So first question 11 is that x into matrix 2 3 y into matrix minus 1 1 equals to 10 5, then find x and y. So matrix multiplication with the scalar value we take, then it will become, we have the given matrix x into 2 3 plus y equals to minus 1 1 equals to 10 5. So it is x multiplying inside and 2x 3y, so 3x plus minus y equals to 10 5. And so matrix addition we take, then we get the equation 2x minus y 3x plus y equals to 10 5. Now two matrices are equal, so equality of matrix we apply, then 2x minus y equals to 10 and 3x plus y equals to 5. To eliminate y we add these equations and y cancel, 2x plus 3x 5x equals to 15. So x is equals to 15 by 5 3. Now x value is submit in x equals to 3. Submit in 2x minus y equals to 10 and 2 into 3 minus y equals to 10. So 6 minus y equals to 10. So y equals to 6 minus 10, that is minus 4. Now we are given question 12. 3 into matrix xy zw equals to x6 minus 1 2w plus 4x plus y z plus w 3. Then find the x, y, z and w value. So here 3 we multiply inside, then we get 3x 3y 3z 3w equals to x6 minus 1 2w. We add them. We add them, then x plus 4, 6 plus x plus y, minus 1 plus z plus w, 2w plus 3. So by equality of matrix we compare them. Then 3x equals to x plus 4, 3y equals to 6 plus x plus y, 3z equals to minus 1 plus z plus w, and 3w equals to 2w plus 3. So first equation 3x equals to x plus 4 we solve. Then 2x equals to 4. So x is equals to 2. Now we solve this equation. Then x equals to 2 submit here. And 3y plus 6 equals to 6 plus 2 plus y. So y will come this side, so 2y equals to 8. So y equals to 4. Now here first equation 3w equals to 2w plus 3 solve. Then 3w minus 2w, so w equals to 3 and w value is submit in this equation. Then 3z equals to minus 1 plus z plus 3. So it will be 3z minus z 2z equals to 2 and so z equals to 1. Now question 13 is given function of x is equals to matrix cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Then we have to show that a function of x and function of y, that dot product will be function of x plus y. So function of x into function of y we take 1. Then function of x already given cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Now function of y we write, then instead of x we write y, minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now here product of two matrix is there, so we know that for the first matrix we will take row and second matrix we will take column and their multiplication. So cos x into cos y plus minus sin x into sin y plus 0 into 0, 0. Next element will be first row multiplied with the second row, then minus cos x into sin y minus sin x into cos y and 0 into 0, 0. And the third multiplication will be cos x into 0, that is 0, sin x into 0, that is 0, and 1 into 0 into 1, that is 0. Now second row first column multiply, then it will be sin x cos y, second element cos x plus cos x sin y, and third element 0 plus 0, 0. Second row multiply with the second column, then minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y plus 0, and second row multiply with the third row, then 0 plus 0 plus 0. Now here third row multiply with the first column, then cos into 0, 0, sin into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Again sin into 0, 0, cos into 0, 0, and 1 into 0, 0. And here 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, and 1 into 1 plus 1. Now here we can see that cos x cos y minus sin x cos y, that is the formula of cos x plus y. Here we take out minus common, then it will become cos x sin y plus sin x cos y, that is the formula of sin x plus y, and here 0. Again here sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, that is the formula of sin x plus y. Again this is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, that is the formula of cos x plus y. Here 0, 0, 0, 1. So we can get the function is x plus y. Now we have question 14, that is we have to show that matrix multiplication is not commutative. So for that, first left hand side two matrices are given, 5 minus 1 6 7 and 2 1 3 4. So matrix multiplication we take, then it will be 5 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply minus 1. Second element we will get 5 multiply 1 plus minus 1 multiply 4, 6 multiply 2 plus 7 multiply 3, and 6 multiply 1 plus 7 multiply 4. So here we get 10 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 12 plus 21, and 6 plus 28. So it will be 7, 5 minus 4, minus 1, 12 and 21, 33, and 28 and 6, 34 we are getting. Now right hand side answer we get, it is 2 1 3 4 multiply 5 minus 1 6 7. Then again we will get 2 into 5 plus 6 into 1, 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 7, 3 into 5 plus 4 into 6, and 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 7. So we can get here 10 plus 6 minus 2 plus 7, 15 plus 24, and minus 3 plus 28. So by adding them we get 16, 5, 39 and 25. So we can see that LHS is not equals to RHS. Again in the question 14, second question, we have the same pattern. We have to show that matrix multiplication is not a commutative. So first left hand side multiplication we do. The matrix are given 1 2 3 0 1 0 1 1 0 into another matrix is given minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1 2 3 4. Now we take the matrix multiplication. So first row multiply with first column, then 1 into minus 1 1 plus 2 into 0 0 plus 3 into 2 6 1 into 1 1 2 into minus 1 minus 2 3 into 3 9 1 into 0 0 2 into 1 2 and 3 into 4 12. Again we multiply second row with the first column, then 0 into minus 1 0 1 into 0 0 0 into 2 0 0 into 1 0 1 into minus 1 minus 1 0 into 3 0 0 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 4 into 0 0 1 into minus 1 minus 1 1 into 0 0 0 into 2 0 1 into 1 1 into minus 1 minus 1 0 into 3 0 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 4 into 0 0. So we can write here 6 minus 1 5 9 plus 1 10 minus 2 8 2 plus 12 14 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 1. Now right hand side multiplication we take, that is two matrices are minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1 2 3 4 multiply 1 2 3 0 1 0 1 1 0. So its multiplication we write, and minus 1 into 1 minus 1 1 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 1 into 1 1 0 into 1 0 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 1 into 0 0 and 0 into 0 0. Now second row we multiply, and 0 into 1 0 minus 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 0 into 2 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 1 into 1 1 0 into 3 0 minus 1 into 0 0 1 into 0 0. Now third row we multiply, then 2 into 1 2 3 into 0 0 4 into 1, that is 4 2 into 2 4 3 into 1 3 4 into 1 4 2 into 3 6 and other two entries are 0. Now we add them, then we get minus 1 1 minus 3 1 0 0 6 8 3 11 6. So we can see that two matrices are not equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS.